In a world where technology meets affordability, finding the ultimate laser printer under $300 becomes an exhilarating journey. When discovering an exceptional laser printer with great value without straining your budget, the optimal laser printer under $300 transforms into an exhilarating blend of technology and affordability. We present a curated collection of laser printers that offer exceptional print quality and showcase groundbreaking features to transform your printing experience. Say goodbye to blurry prints, slow processing, and paper jams, whether you're a student, a small business owner, or a tech enthusiast. We have listed the best laser printer under $300 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each laser printer in the description box, so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the Canon ImageShieldASS MF462 Laser Printer. The Canon ImageShieldASS MF462 Laser Printer is an optimistic choice for anyone looking to create high-quality prints under $300. It boasts the innovative one-pass duplex scan technology, which allows you to obtain double-sided scans with a single pass through the automatic document feeder. With a generous maximum input sheet capacity of 250, you can embark on extensive decal projects without needing paper reloading. With the ability to print up to a mind-blowing 37 pages per minute and a first printout time of less than 4.9 seconds for letter-sized documents, you can turn your digital designs in the blink of an eye. The MF462 offers seamless wireless connectivity, like Wi-Fi direct connection, to cater to your on-the-go printing needs. Whether you prefer Canon Print Business, Apple AirPrint, or Mopria Print Service, this printer ensures flawless performance. The printer offers incredible versatility in sheet sizes, ranging from 4.1 x 5.8 to 8.5 x 14 inches in the standard/optional cassette, and 3 x 5 inches to 8.5 x 14 inches in the multipurpose tray. It's like a canvas of limitless possibilities for your printing designs. Moreover, it boasts a compact and stylish design, measuring 18.1 x 16.6 x 14.8 inches. To get this laser printer right now, click on the link in the description box below. Number 2 is the Brother HLL3000 230 CD digital color printer. In the fast-paced printing world, the Brother HLL3000 230 CD digital color printer stands out as the ultimate choice for those searching for the finest laser printer under $300. This versatile printer seamlessly combines speed, affordability, and exceptional quality, making it the perfect companion for all your printing needs. It is also equipped with a 250-sheet paper tray that effortlessly accommodates letter and legal-size paper, so you can bid farewell to frequent refills and dedicate more time to printing. With its impressive print speed, it is churning out up to 25 pages per minute. This rapid performance allows you to handle large printing projects without any delays. But it's not just about speed, it's about delivering exceptional quality. The Brother HLL3000 230 CD excels in producing vibrant, high-quality color documents with the precision of a laser printer. This ensures that your print designs come out sharp, crisp, and eye-catching, leaving a lasting impression. The manual feed slot offers versatility for printing on different types of paper, like shirts, cardstock, and envelopes, to meet your printing needs. For optimal results, it is recommended to use Brother Genuine Toner cartridges in various colors. This printer supports popular mobile device compatibility options such as AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, Brother iPrint and Scan, Mopria, and Wi-Fi Direct, ensuring compatibility with various devices. If you want to purchase this all-in-one laser printer right now, check out the link given in the description box. Number 3 is the Lexmark MB2000 236i all-in-one printer. The Lexmark MB2000 236i all-in-one printer is a powerhouse for printing under $300, which makes it ideal for creating stylish and efficient custom prints. With a generous maximum input sheet capacity of 250, you can take on large printing projects without requiring frequent paper reloading. This printer can handle sheets of up to 8.5 x 14 inches, ensuring compatibility with various sizes and intricate designs. Its fast print speed brings your creative ideas to life more quickly, and the standard two-sided printing feature allows you to make the most of your paper resources. Experience the convenience of seamless wireless printing and sharing with this printer's advanced connectivity. With standard Wi-Fi, you can effortlessly print and share from any device, your computer, tablet, or smartphone. This printer also offers USB and Ethernet connectivity, which allows for versatile integration into your office setup. To simplify your printing experience, it can develop the Lexmark mobile print app for added convenience. With its robust and comprehensive built-in security features, this printer goes above and beyond to ensure the utmost protection of your valuable designs. This printer also champions sustainability by offering automatic two-sided printing, reducing paper waste and helping you save money. Furthermore, it is equipped to handle up to 100% recycled paper, allowing you to contribute to a greener environment without compromising quality. And if you like this wireless laser printer, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227 film printer. The HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227 film printer is an optimistic choice for those seeking a versatile all-in-one laser printer under $300, and it's not just for standard office tasks. Boasting a rapid print rate of up to 30 pages per minute, you won't have to endure any waiting time. Its monochrome print capabilities ensure that your designs emerge with precise and sharp details. Whether you're printing intricate graphics or bold text, the M227 fin consistently delivers top-notch quality results. With its integrated scanner, copier, and fax machine, this all-in-one printer perfectly fits small businesses and creative individuals. The 35-sheet auto document feeder simplifies your workload, allowing you to tackle large projects effortlessly. It is also designed for durability, and this printer can handle up to 2,000 pages daily, which ensures it meets your printing needs even during busy periods. This printer provides secure Ethernet connectivity that safeguards your designs from unwanted access. It also supports AirPrint and Google Cloud Print, which makes mobile printing effortless for those who work while on the move. Moreover, the LCD display offers a user-friendly interface, ensuring easy navigation. To get this laser printer right now, click on the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the Brother HLL3000 270 CDW wireless color printer. When choosing the perfect laser printer under $300, the Brother HLL3000 270 CDW wireless color printer is the ultimate choice. With its remarkable print speed of up to 25 pages per minute, you can swiftly and efficiently transfer your print designs onto transfer paper, saving precious time. Experience the seamless combination of speed, precision, and efficiency with the HLL3000 270 CDW wireless color printer. The 250-sheet paper tray reduces the need for frequent refills, effortlessly handling letters and legal-sized paper. The 2.7 color touchscreen enhances usability, which allows you to print directly from popular cloud applications. The manual feed slot accommodates various paper types and sizes, like cardstock and envelopes, which makes it ideal for unleashing your creativity in diverse ways. The Brother HLL3000 270 CDI offers a wide range of connectivity options, which makes it easy to print your designs from your smartphone or tablet. With built-in wireless, Ethernet, Wi-Fi Direct, and USB interfaces, you can seamlessly print from various sources, whether your computer or cloud-based apps. For consistent, high-quality results, it recommends using Brother Genuine Toner cartridges and is also compatible with TN223 and TN227 cartridges, which ensures exceptional print quality every time. So, to buy this all-in-one laser printer, check out the link mentioned in the description box below. After reviewing each of the 5 best laser printers under $300, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your prints will always be printed perfectly and quickly. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.